Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be solving this interesting logarithmic equation. So the first thing I did was that I said that let P be equal to log X base 1999, that's 1995. Then from here now, I can say that X will be equal to 1995 raised to the power of what? P. Then I can say the next step was that I said that x, that's this expression here, x raised to the power log x. So I can see that we log x raised to the power log x base 1995 will be equal to, you know that x is this, right? Equal to, that's this s now is what? 1995 raised to the power of p, then raised to the power log x base 1995, which is what? P also. This now is what? P. So I put it there. Then the next thing I said that x, that's this expression, raised to the power of log x base 1995 will be equal to 1995. P multiplied by P will give us what? P square. Power multiplied by what? Power. Then the next thing I'll do now, from this particular side, now I'm going to square both sides here. So if I square here, I'll get what? S square. Now if I square here, it will be like this. So here will be 1995p square. So here will become x square equal to p will multiply 2. So we have 1995. 2 multiplied by p, that's what? 2p. So the next thing I'll do now, I will say that this now is square root of 1995. I'll write it out. 1995. Then x raised to power log x base 1995 is what? Is what? 1995 raised to the power of p square, all equal to s square, and s square is what? 1995 raised to the power of 2p. Now, this is same thing as 1995 raised to the power 1 all over 2 multiplied by 1995 raised to the power of p square, all equal to 1995 raised to the power of 2p. Now I'll multiply this, they have the same base, so I'm going to apply the law of indices here. So pick one of the base since the both bases are equal. So write 1995 raised to the power of 1 all over 2 plus p square, all equal to 1995 raised to the power of 2p. Now they have the same base again, so the base will divide each other. So here 1995 cancel this cancel. So we now have 1 over 2 plus p square equal to 2p. Now I'm going to multiply everything here. Now multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2. So we will now get 1 over 2 multiplied by 2, that will give us what? 1 plus p square multiplied by 2, that will give us what? 2p square, all equal to 2p multiplied by 2, that will give us what? 4p. Then the next thing now, I'm going to rearrange this to get a quadratic equation. So here will become 2p square minus 4p plus 1 equal to 0. Now from here now, this is a quadratic equation, so I can say that a equal to 2, then b equal to minus 4, then c equal to 1. So I'm going to apply my quadratic formula in solving this quadratic equation. So we say that quadratic formula, that's p will be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the quadratic formula. So let me apply it now. So we can say p equal to minus, my b is what? Minus 4. So we say minus 4 here. Close our bracket. Plus or minus the square root of b square. That's what? Minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by what? A. A is 2. So say 2 multiplied by c. C is what? 1 all over 2a. 2a, that means 2 times what? 2. Then the next thing we say p will be equal to minus multiplied by minus. So we have what? 4 plus or minus the square root of. Now, this whole expression inside, after simplifying it, I got 8. So we say 8 all over 4. So we can say that p is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 8 is 2 root 2 all over 4. Now, which is the same thing as what? P equal to 4 all over 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 all over 4. I can say that now P equal to what? 1 plus or minus 2 divided by 2, 1, 2 divided by 2, 2. So here will become root 2 all over 2. Therefore, P will be equal to 1 plus root 2 all over 2 and P equal to 1 minus root 2 all over 2. Then now, I'm going to go back to the beginning now. The beginning of this question says that S equal to 1995 raised to the power of P. So we say, recall X is equal to 1995 raised to the power of P. Now I've gotten P as this and also this. So I can say that what? X is equal to 1995 raised to power P, which is 1 plus root 2 over 2. Let me put it in a bracket. 1 plus root 2 over 2. And X is also equal to 1995 open bracket 1 minus root 2 all over 2 close the bracket. So this is the root of the what? The values, the root of the equation. But this is not what? Valid. This is not valid. The valid answer for this equation is this particular one here. So S is equals to what? 1995 raised to the power of 1 minus root 2 all over 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.